far as besides the factors of production, all factors of production have been taken care of. Then we have the markets. We have land reforms in terms of planning, urban as well as rural. And we have also got planning as far as the labor markets are concerned, employment and financing, enterprises which are new enterprises. There is further stress going to be, which is very important to the industry, is ease of doing business. They've spoken about ease of doing business, and hopefully we will see a lot of it, because easier the life of business, the more prosperous it gets. And there is also stress laid on social security as far as the pensions are concerned, as far as other benefits that are concerned. So these are the 9 focus areas that the finance minister spoke about. Besides this, we have got direct taxes, which standard deductions. Standard deductions have been increased from 50 to 75,000. Then we have got certain incentives to move into the new regime, and there is relief of 15 to 25,000 in restructuring of the
family pension.
I would like to say here that there are a few suggestions that our chairman had made in pre-budget memorandum. We are very happy to see that the decriminalization of TDS offences or any let-up on that has been reflects here, and it's going to be decriminalized now, any offences under that. The second is quick addressal to appeals. It should take a long time, the litigations, and now there have been the time as well as there are a lot of reform that have been brought to expedite this and make the life easier and get people out of this litigation as soon as possible. And third is abolishing taxes on angel investors, on startups, and on new entrepreneurs. This is very, very important in order to encourage new investment and new entrepreneurship. And this has also been taken care of. So with these are the main highlights that we have seen from this budget. As I said, it's in continuing with what had happened in the vote of account, and also in keeping with our roadmap to prosperity, with a prosperous India in 100 years of independence.
Mr. Souza, that the budget proposal